Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is make majority. So in this question it's saying you have given a sequence a to an where each element ai is either 0 or 1. You can apply several possible operation or possibly 0 non-operation to the sequence. In each operation you select two integers l and r, okay, where a mod is current length of a, okay, and replace al to ar with a single element x where x is the majority, okay, of al to ar, okay. Here the majority sequence consisting 0 and 1 is defined as follows. Suppose there are c0 zeros and c1 ones in the sequence respectively. If c0 is greater than equal to c1, the majority is 0. If c0 is less than c1, the majority is 1, okay. For example, you can see the example. We select l is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. The resulting process will be 0. I mean, as you can see, l is what, 1 and r is what, 2, okay. So as you can see, c0 is greater or equal to c1, majority is 0, so it will become 0 and 1 would become what, 0, okay. If we select l is equal to 4 and r is equal to 6, the resulting sequence will be 1 0 0 1, okay. It will be something like that. Determine, can you make a1 with a finite number of operation? We have to make a is equal to 1, okay. Is it possible? If we have given a number of arrays, so we have to output yes or no, okay. So let me show you the code. I have already written the code, you can see it. So the main logic working over here, we have declare what I can say, a vector array compressed. In this we will enter if ai is equal to 1, it will be push back into the array compress. If else, if ai is empty or ai compress dot empty or compressed dot back is not equal to 0, compress dot pushback is equal to 0, okay, then we'll take 0, okay. After completion of this, what we do, we declare two variables, count 0 and count 1. In this, int x will compile to the length of the compressed array, okay. If x is equal to 1, count will be incremented by 1, else count of 0 will be incremented by 2. Then here what we'll do, if count of 1 is greater than count of 0, then it will be yes, otherwise it will be no. That's how the code logic is working, guys, okay. So let me run a test case for you. Codeforces ECT 1998, comma, okay. So it compiles successfully. Let's execute the code. For example, 1 1 0. Answer is correct, no, okay. Let's run all the test cases. So it's correct, no, yes, no, yes, no, okay, as you can see in this output. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's how the code is working. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section and I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.